Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. And the teacher asked us to solve question number 3 for this triangle. Solve this triangle. It means we need to find its angles, not only the side. We have 3 sides, A, B, C. So we just take a good look at it and we will use a new page to do it. How about that? So we will do on this page totally in this triangle A, B, C. What is given? A equal to 2. Let me enlarge it even bigger. B equal to 3 and C equal to 4. To make everything clear, we draw a triangle to start with, right? So this is 2, 3, 4, maybe a little bit longer. That looks very much like it. So here we have a line which is 2 is A. The opposite angle will be A, and another line is 3. The opposite angle will be B, or the opposite vertex. And C is another line, so the opposite vertex is C. We have this triangle, so we know 3 sides. What do? We will use cosine law. This is the time we need to decide. We use a commercial law, we use a corporate entrepreneur law, or we use a divorce law. So this is not divorce law. We have A, B, C. Use the law of cosine. Law of cosine. Law of cosine means A square equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. It is very symmetrical. A goes with BC, B goes with AC. I write only one. That is sufficient because you are great. You remember it. So for cosine A, we can use this method. I'm so comfortable with this. I do not use another way. You do not need to remember many ways of mathematic expression. You can also write down cosine A equal to B squares plus C squares, B squares plus C squares minus A squares over 2BC. You can write this way. How about we forget about this one? We only use the upper part. Okay, I'm more comfortable with A square, so you can just use A square. A square, A is 2 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 times 3 times 4 cosine A. So 4 equal to 25 minus 24 cosine A. 24 cosine A. What did I do? I move this to this side, change direction, change the sign, move this to this side. That's my way of thinking. 24 cosine A equal to 21, so cosine A equal to 7 over 8. That's the important thing. We need to figure it out. So from here, we can figure out what is the degree of cosine A. So we go to decimals. I already have deleted. So the cosine opposite function, 7 over 8 this, what we get is radian. We need to change into degree. So time 180 divided by pi. So that is the degree. 28.96. We round to the 1 decimal place. Okay, I actually wrote it down on a piece of paper, otherwise I will forget. So angle A is 28.96 degree. Okay, these are degree number. It's not 28 degree 96 seconds or something. No, it's not that. Okay, so angle B, 3 square equal to 2 square plus 4 square minus 2 times 2 times 4 cosine B. So 9 equal 4 plus 16 minus 24 22得4 4 yes 22得4 4 46 cosine B. So 16, move this one, move, okay, I just write it. Right, this is what I do. So 16 cosine B equal to 20 minus 9 is 11. So cosine B equal to 11 over 16. Important. 11 over 16. Importante. 11 divided by 16, and this is radian times 180 degree divided by pi. So 46.57. Okay, copy it. So angle so angle B is 46.57. Okay, now C, 4 square equal 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 times 2 times 3 cosine C. 16 equal to 4 plus 9 minus 12 cosine C. So move it around. This time we get a bizarre number. So 12 cosine C equal to negative 3. Cosine C equal to negative 1 over. It's very negative. Negative. How do I pronounce it? Negative. Anyway, you know what? I have trouble with pronunciation sometimes. Okay, so angle C. We go back in our decimals. Cosine function, the opposite. No. Cosine negative 1 over 4 times 180 divided by pi. Not in a rush. You just keep on writing one at a time. 104.48. Okay. So 104.48. Now we are almost there. The next thing, we add up the 3 together to prove if we are correct. I know we are correct. You know we are correct. But the teacher do not know. We need to boom. Plus 46.57. 7,104.48。6、7、13，13加8 21，9加9 18 20，10加8加2 20，4加2 6加2等于8，180.01度。So we are pretty much right, because we round, so we get it 0.1. So here is the question. If you like, take a screenshot. Remember, do not use law of divorce. Do not use law of copyright. Do not use law of anything else. No law of sine. Use law of cosine. Cosine. Okay? Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, 夫人。